Let's start with Deel. This platform has become one of the most recognized names in global payroll and compliance. Deel focuses on helping businesses hire contractors and full-time employees in over 100 countries. The standout feature here is its simplicity. You can onboard a new contractor, send compliant contracts, and start payments in minutes. Everything happens through a single dashboard. For businesses based in the United States or Canada, Deel offers built-in support for paying in multiple currencies while automatically handling local tax and compliance requirements. The platform generates the correct tax documents like 1099 forms for contractors in the US, and it ensures that payments to international workers meet each country's employment standards. You can pay through various methods: bank transfer, debit or credit card, or even cryptocurrency options depending on the country. Deel also handles exchange rate conversions automatically, which is a huge advantage when you have team members across continents. From a developer and operations perspective, Deel's API allows for integration with HR systems, accounting tools, and even custom workflows. That makes it great for tech-forward companies who want to automate onboarding or synchronize payroll data across internal systems. Now let's look at Papaya Global. Papaya has positioned itself as an enterprise-level solution that goes beyond contractor management. It is designed for companies with both contractors and full-time employees in many different countries. The system consolidates payroll, benefits, compliance, and payments into one global workforce platform. Papaya's biggest strength is its infrastructure. It uses a network of local partners and entities, which means it can manage employment and payments in more than 160 countries. For companies hiring across the United States and Canada, Papaya Global offers strong multi-country payroll support. It simplifies tax compliance, handles employer contributions, and streamlines payments in multiple currencies. The dashboard gives a clear view of workforce costs by region, which is extremely useful for finance teams making budget decisions. Papaya also stands out for automation. It can automatically calculate deductions, track benefits, and produce localized pay slips for employees and contractors. The analytics are deep and designed for large teams that need insight into cost breakdowns, headcount by location, and payroll trends. However, that complexity can be more than what smaller companies need. In short, if simplicity, compliance, and speed are your priorities, go with Deel. If you need full visibility, analytics, and infrastructure to manage a global workforce at scale, Papaya Global is the powerhouse solution.